Nobody's talking about this one digital product type that's killing it right now: resume and portfolio templates. Here's how to create and sell them so that you can have a six-figure business, like CoResume. Step 1, understand the niche. More people work remotely now, and freelancing keeps growing every year. Companies don't care where you live anymore as long as you can get the job done. That means people are applying for jobs online from everywhere, and the competition is massive. Everyone's trying to stand out, but most resumes and portfolios look exactly the same. That's where you can come in. Job seekers want templates that look clean, professional, and easy to edit. They don't have time to spend hours on design or formatting. And because most applications go through scanning software called an applicant tracking system, or ATS, they also need templates that pass those filters. Those systems check for certain keywords, simple layouts, and basic structure. If the format is too fancy, it gets rejected before a real person even sees it. That's why smart templates sell so well. So here's how you can start creating and selling them. Step 2, break down the basics. The first thing you need to understand is what actually makes a resume or portfolio sellable. It's not just about looks, it's about how well it works. The best-selling templates have two things in common. They're simple enough for ATS systems to read, and they look professional enough to catch attention. An ATS-friendly resume has clear headings like work experience and skills. It uses readable fonts and no tables or text boxes that might confuse the scanner. But at the same time, the layout should feel modern, not plain. Use good spacing, nice typography, and maybe small touches of color for style. The design should make the person using it feel confident when they send it out. Portfolios are just as important, especially for freelancers, designers, and anyone who works on creative projects. A great portfolio template shows off someone's best work in a clear and attractive way. It might include a project summary, images, results, and short descriptions of what the person did. You don't need to overcomplicate it. The goal is to help job seekers show their value fast. Once you know what works, you can move on to the next step. Step 3, build the templates. The easiest place to start is Canva. It's free to use and already has resume and portfolio layouts you can customize. You can take a basic template, change the fonts, adjust the layout, and create your own version that feels clean and original. Canva lets you share your design as a template link, which is perfect for selling. That way, your buyers can click the link and start editing right away. If you want to make your templates look more professional, use ChatGPT to help you fill in the text. This is one of the easiest ways to add value. For example, instead of leaving blank spaces that say, "Add your job title here," you can fill it with realistic sample text. Ask ChatGPT to write strong resume bullet points or cover letter lines. Instead of something boring like responsible for marketing tasks, you can show increased brand engagement by 40% through social media campaigns. When buyers see that, they get inspired and understand what good writing looks like. If you're making portfolio templates, visuals matter too. You can use MidJourney to create simple background images or icons that make your designs look premium. Just make sure the graphics don't distract from the content. A few small details can make your templates feel like something a professional agency designed, even though you made them yourself. Step 4, productize your templates. After your designs are ready, it's time to turn them into products people can actually buy. This part is all about packaging. Templates sell best when they come in bundles. Instead of selling one single resume for $5, you can offer a bundle that includes a resume, a matching cover letter, and a portfolio layout. Buyers love complete solutions, not single pieces. When they see a bundle, they feel like they're getting more value. You can even add a short guide that explains how to edit everything. A simple PDF that says, "How to use this bundle" makes the product feel more premium. Include clear instructions, the Canva link, and maybe even a short section about how to use ChatGPT to customize bullet points or cover letters. It shows that you care about helping the buyer succeed, not just making a sale. Step 5, list your templates. Now let's talk about where to sell. You have a few good options, and the best part is they're beginner-friendly. Etsy is one of the top platforms for digital templates. There are already many sellers making steady income from resume and portfolio designs. Etsy handles all the file delivery, so once you upload your product, it runs on autopilot. You just upload your digital files, set a price, and write a short description that explains what the buyer gets. Another great platform is Gumroad. It's simple to use and lets you sell directly through a link. Gumroad is perfect if you want to promote your templates on social media because you can share the link anywhere. You upload your files, set a price, and you're done. Gumroad also lets you offer discounts, track your sales, and send messages to your buyers when you release new designs. If you want to reach professionals directly, LinkedIn is the best place. It's filled with job seekers and freelancers who are already thinking about resumes and portfolios. You can post tips, show previews of your templates, and link to your store. You don't need a big audience to make sales there, just helpful posts that people find useful. Step 6, market. This is what separates the sellers who get a few sales from the ones who make consistent income. The easiest way to get attention is by posting short, useful content. TikTok has become a huge traffic source for digital sellers. You can post short videos showing quick resume hacks or design transformations. For example, show a messy resume, then show your clean template next to it. Add a caption like, "This got me 3 interviews in 1 week." That type of content spreads fast because it gives real value in a few seconds. People love quick improvements that make their lives easier. LinkedIn works great for a more professional audience. Carousels, which are swipeable slideshows, perform really well. You can make one that says, 3 things that make your resume fail, or how to get past ATS filters. And at the end, mention that you have templates ready to help. This kind of content builds trust because you're teaching first and selling second. If you want to take it further, collect reviews from happy customers. Ask if you can share their feedback or a short success story. For example, if someone says, "I got 2 interviews using this resume," that's marketing gold. Real feedback builds trust faster than any ad. The best part of this business is that it scales easily. Once your templates are uploaded, you don't have to make them again. You can earn passively while you work on new designs or test new marketing ideas. You can even automate parts of it by scheduling posts or using simple AI tools to help write descriptions and captions. If you're consistent, you can turn it into a real source of income. It's not about luck. It's about understanding what people need and delivering it better than most others. What do you think about selling resume and portfolio templates? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.